Hello, my dear viewers. Oh, the sound. Okay. This is Dickerscopy webinar, and you're watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Is the sound true? Okay. Yes, the sound is good. All right, guys. Hello. Okay, I'm Dickerscopy Trader Community member. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rakesh once again, and please do not confuse me as an employee of Dickerscopy Bank. I am not an employee, but I'm an independent trader and a technical analyst. So all the views or opinions or the trading ideas that we are going to discuss in this webinar, they are of my own. They have nothing to do with the Lucas Copy Bank. Okay. So actually much about the introduction because we get very less time. So what we are going to do is we are going to check the key levels for all the pairs, and we'll see how we can use those key levels to our advantage or how we can use them in our trading. Okay. This is generally what I do, and I hope that my viewers will also try to do the same. Just we will keep one thing in mind, that whenever we are looking for a trade, we'll try to trade only in the direction of the main trend, and the main trend we bring out from the daily trend. Okay. And how do we know that what is the trend? On the daily, we generally follow the market structures. Okay. Now if you don't know what are the market structures, maybe you would like to see my one or two more webinars earlier. They are there in the recorded version. You can go through them if you are new here. If you are old enough, then let's go. So keep asking questions, guys. This is good. You ask questions, you clear your doubts, and yeah, this is how you learn. And one thing that I want to say more is that this is just webinar to give you some information or to give you some knowledge about how to know the market structures, how to draw the key resistance and support areas. But please do not take my analysis as the direct trading advice, because if you want to take my advice directly in trading, because I'm not an authorized advisor to make you advise to to advise you. I am not licensed to advise you on trading. Okay. So the point here is that you should do your own research or consult some research analyst before you put your money on the line. But this video is only for information or education purpose. Okay, that's all. So let me take you through the quick risk disclaimer. This one here, guys, this is just saying that if you make profits, they're yours. If you make losses, they're yours. So you should be the last person who is doing the research or analyzing the markets by himself. And I'm here just to provide you the information edge, or to give you a simple skill how to analyze the markets. Okay, so let's hop on to the charts, for guys. Like always, the first chart that we are going to see is the US dollar index. Now yesterday, okay, yesterday the price, where was the price? I have forgotten the name of my friend. I think he was Hamal or something, who gave me this idea that 101.96 may be a very good resistance. Okay, guys, you remember we were trying to look for 102.99, and then he said that since there is a breakdown, there's a possibility of going lower. Then I checked my daily time frame and I saw that on daily this is in a sell mode. So yes, this counter trending channel is broken, so possibility that the price is going toward 101.06, and we escaped from a false analysis yesterday. Thanks to my friend, if he is still there in the chat, thank you very much. And this is what has happened later on. Yeah. Okay, so now what is the important level? Actually, this one here, this previous low on 5th of April, that is 101.06. After that, 100.65 is very important on the lower side. On the higher side, we can expect now resistance at 101.63 for the dollar index. Regarding euro, well, euro, Hello euro, why are you not loading? Okay, euro has loaded. Okay, so euro has gone beyond the previous highs, like previous highs on the 4th of April that it had made, that 1.0973. In the last 4 hours, it made that attempt to go higher, but then came back, but now it is going even higher. So what is it targeting? 1.03, sorry, 1.1032 area is the possible resistance. This was a resistance here around on 1st of February this year. So expect that level to act as a resistance again, but if that does not act as a resistance, then we are headed towards 1.1184. All right, we make our bias on the basis of the daily market structure. The daily market structure is bullish, right? Yeah, guys, is our daily market structure bullish or not? Okay, so you see here the daily market structure from here turned bullish. We started making higher highs and higher lows, and we are expecting 1.0788 to break if we have to become bearish, right? So we were still bullish, and this was the counter trending channel. This counter trending channel broke to the upside on the 4 hourly, and once it broke, it came back to retest this level as the support, and this happened. Okay, it is simple. Go smash that like button which is below the video. I hope that helps here, this one here. So what is next, guys? Next level of resistance is 1.1032. The support may be found at 1.10976 area. If you have any questions, let me know. Okay, so one thing now, like I said, that if the in a pattern, this is a channel, okay, in a pattern, if the price breaks on the one side first and then it breaks on the other side, the move generally is explosive in nature. So what is the first target? 1.2525, immediate target. Later on we can even expect 1.2666 in this market. So now horizontal level of resistance is 1.2525. Horizontal level of support may be around 1.2274. In fact, it can be this one if the price is able to break higher than 1.2525. Why? Because if the price is able to break higher than 1.2525, then this will be your established low. Okay, right now this is your established low at the time of this webinar. Australian dollar finally has shown us some move higher, but we cannot be very sure that it is making higher highs and higher lows. But still, yes, we have got a hint from the market that this, okay, I'll show you on the daily. Actually, I have shown it on the daily yesterday, but still I'm showing it to you right here. Okay, the price was making, guys, price was making lower highs and lower lows here. Okay, lower highs and lower lows. Then it made okay, this was the recent high that the price had made before making this low, and after this low the price did not make any low further. Okay, so after making this high, the price did not make any high further except this one. So here the price made a high which was higher than the previous high, so we started expecting a higher low to be formed, which was formed somewhere here. So now this low is formed here, and we are expecting now higher high. I hope that helps. Okay, so this is what we are expecting, and the price was actually going in a downtrend, although after making this high we came to know that we should be looking for a higher high. Okay, and when did this happen? Now this is the poly, this is the 4 hourly time frame. On the 4 hour, this was the market structure. The price was making lower highs and lower lows. Here the price made something big here, actually, you see. Okay, if not here, then here, but I think this was the higher high. This was the higher high. Let us check. See, this candle had the high 0.66794. This was 0.66797. Okay, so this is lower. All right, guys, so you can imagine, okay, this is the higher high, and then the price comes back to test this area as the fresh support, and now it is acting as a fresh support, and the price is rising further. You can check it on the 1 hour. Okay, when this resistance was broken, this started acting as a support, and now the price is trying to rise. The only problem in this one is that as the price is rising, the volumes are decreasing. No, sorry, this is different. This is different. As the price was falling, the volumes were decreasing. So now with the green candles, the volume should be rising. If they do not, that means this bull trend or this bull market in the Australian dollar may not last long. Okay, we need higher volumes. We need extended volumes when the price is going up. Okay. All right. In the Australian dollar now we have a resistance at around 0.6792 on the higher side, and we have support at around 0.6679, and later on we can have a support at 0.6624 in this market. New Zealand dollar, yesterday we concluded that the price has broken below this 0.6207 and in fact 0.6192 here, and we sold this market with the hope that the market is going to test 0.6083, but something unnatural has just happened today, and the price has again went higher than 0.6207, and now that 0.6207 is acting as a support. So yes, we are expecting higher prices now. Also in this process, on the 4-hour, the 4-hour market structure has been broken. So the 4-hour market structure is now bullish. Why it is bullish? Because this high that the price had made before making this low here or this low here has been taken out by this high. Okay, all right. So once that happens, we expect something like this, chuk 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 chuk, then the price meets the support and boom. So this is what is possible here. On the 1 hour you will know. Okay, the price breaks higher than these highs, then comes back, so now acting as a support, trying to go higher. So this is what we are expecting. We are expecting an up move now in the New Zealand dollar, but on the daily time frame, the market structure has just broken to the downside. So every rise may met with the resistances. So my opinion on this one will be that you should stay away from such market where you have just broken market structure to the downside, and you have just broken market structure to the upside on the 4-hour. I think in such market you should stay away from the market when you are not sure what is going to happen. And also this is not in correlation with the euro, pound, Australian dollar, because this is the only market where you have a broken market structure to the downside, whereas Australian dollar, pound and euro all are trying to break on the upside. So New Zealand dollar looks very weak. I think it will meet with the resistance and then drop down further again. USD JPY, well, this one is going good. It has failed to close any day above 133.75, but still it looks like it is strong here. The last red candle had huge volumes. That is again a suggestion that the price is going lower, but this is 4-hourly, guys. Okay, on the daily, if you want to become a seller in this market, you need the price to break below this low here, which is around 130.61, and I think that's not going to happen anytime soon. So what you can do is you can actually make a channel like joining these two and this high here. So something like this may be now expected in this market, guys. Let me clear the clutter. There is so much of clutter on the USD JPY. All right, so what do we have on the higher side now? 133.75 is still acting as resistance, and now we have next level of support around 130.61 area. US dollar against the Canadian is falling because of the rise in the oil prices, and this can extend further towards 1.3261. Nothing much on this one. The rising channel broke to the downside after meeting the resistance. Now this may provide some support to the price. I am marking that low 1.3405, and if that is taken out, I think 1.3261 will be exposed in this market. That's it. USD CHF also, we are looking for the lower prices. The price that actually we were looking for has been taken, but the horizontal level, that is 0.8926, is still to be tested. So keep an eye on this one. From there, price may rise for some time. Okay, but also notice that the RSI on the daily has ditched below 38 level. Now anything that when it goes below 38, I become bearish on that. That means there is a high probability that the price will go below even towards 0.8757. That means the sell-off is very fast now, and it can extend to 0.8757 also. So let us see how the things unfold, because once the price goes below 38, it is extremely bearish. Okay, it's extremely bearish. This is like this, boom 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 boom. All right, so the levels to watch: on the higher side 0.9070, on the lower side immediate support 0.8926, but expect the price to reach 0.8757 also in this market. Silver, I'm bullish on the silver. Okay, everything was falling but silver was holding, so I'm still expecting silver to rise further towards 26.21. On the lower side we can have some support at 24.81 if the price drops from here. Okay, so these are the two levels. Keep an eye. Do not try to sell the silver at around 26.21. No, I think our buy order must have been triggered. Yes, we are long in silver, guys. We are long in silver, and we have also entered a short position in the euro against the Australian dollar. We will see that later when we go to the euro against the Australian dollar, but right now we are long in the silver and we have target around 26.16. We have a stop loss at around 24.52. Okay, guys. Gold also we are bullish above 2009. The price traded above 2009 for some time and actually went to very close to this previous high of 2031. Today it made an intraday high around 2028. So it was just $4 short from that one. If it makes another move, I think that will be taken out, and we are expecting 2070 as the first resistance, and later on we are expecting 2135 as the second resistance in this market, guys. On the lower side we can expect support at 1959 and 1934 levels. Brent is rising. Brent is rising. Do you see these volumes? Do you see these volumes? Okay, the volumes in this small green candle, there are so many huge volumes. So yeah, somebody is speculating in this one. He knows that like we know that, okay, OPEC is cutting on the oil supply. If OPEC is cutting down the oil supply, definitely it is going to rise. So 83 was the support. It went to 86. It even went to 87. Now it is trading at 87.28. The next target is 88.60. If it goes beyond 88.60, then the next target will be 99.53. Keep this in mind. Okay, although actually it should not be 88.6, it should be these highs here, 89.87. okay, let's see how the things unfold. But yes, the crude prices will be rising, I think, for some time, because the OPEC has cut down the supplies. All right, guys. USD ZAR, it is consolidating. It is consolidating a lot. Will you believe if I say that I have buy stop orders above this and sell stop orders below this? But that is on a demo account. Don't do this. Okay, I'm just saying. That's why I said that USD ZAR is consolidating, because it is not going neither beyond this nor beyond this. So it is just consolidating before making any fresh move. It is consolidating within this channel. It is consolidating within this channel. It is consolidating above this channel. So I'm expecting whenever the price hits this channel, rising channel, it should get a lot of buyers. Why? Because when the price goes beyond the resistance of a rising channel, it is extremely bullish. Okay, so anytime the price hits this resistance area, it will act as a good support and the price will be pushed higher. That is what my opinion is. But on the higher side, we have a horizontal level of resistance at 18.5348. On the lower side, we have a support at 18.1232. That's all, guys. Bitcoin, okay, it is difficult for Bitcoin to hold above 30,000. It held for some time today, actually. Okay, let me sorry, I'm sorry, guys, I'm very tired. Let me switch to the 4 hourly. You will see that the price held above 30,000 for most of the time today. You see, this was the 30,000 level, and it traded higher than 30,000 for most of the time. Then it suddenly came back below this level of 29,738, but was immediately bought back. Let me show you on 1 hour. The price came lower, but was immediately bought back within like 1 hour or so. And now it is trading almost at the same level. So if I go to my this triangle, I will say that there is possibility the price coming back even to 29,139. There is a huge possibility that the price can come back to this area before making next move up. So if you talk about the levels of support and resistance, I will say expect 29,139 to act as a good support, and 32,417 as the good resistance in the coming time. Okay, Euro JPY must be rising like anything. All right, Euro JPY 146.39. The immediate target is 146.72. Do you have any question about it? It's so simple. It's so simple. The levels are so nice. Okay, 146.72 is the immediate resistance. With every day the price volumes are rising, so there is a support of the price action. 146.72, if that is taken out, 148.39 will be the next target for us. Euro GBP, we want to sell it at the higher prices. The prices are higher now, but 88.28 is where I'm looking for selling this market. Okay, 88.28, not at these levels. So I'm just staying away from this one here, guys. Still. All right. So US 500, US 500 actually broke higher today. Then it came back to test this channel. Actually, something like this happens. So generally, once the price breaks out, it tests and then tests the resistance. Okay, the previous resistance. You know, we were long in this market. We have booked profits in this one. I don't know if I can show you the history. No, I cannot show you the history, I think here. But yes, we have booked the profits. Okay, we were long in this one and the targets were around 4141. The targets are achieved. Why it is not here? Why it is not here? Oh, yeah, so you see this one, huh? We were long here and we have booked it here. We had made a profit of $34. All right, so all right guys, now I'm still expecting the prices to go higher, but I'm just astonished to see that price came back from 4150 to all the way down to 4095 area to take support. This is too much down to take a support. Yes, but the levels are important. When there are levels, important levels just below the lows, recent lows, then yes, this happens. So what has done it in the way? When it was coming down, it has taken all the buyers out of the market, those who had their stop losses here, and now it has bought and now it is going up. So you are out of the train. I am taking this train to the North Pole. Where are you? Okay, you are out. Sorry. So this is how the market works sometimes. Okay, they have thrown you out, now they are taking it to the North Pole. This is what I think. Let us see how the things unfold, but 4195 is what I am expecting now in this market. If I remove my Fibonacci's, I will show you that horizontal level that you can watch right now is 4069 and 4195. But if we see any higher move above this recent high, this will be our stop loss. Okay, 4093 area. All right guys, euro Australian dollar. Okay, we have initiated a short entry here. We have a stop loss here and we are expecting 1.6435 to act as a resistance, and the price has made an intraday high at 1.64371. This cannot be better than this, I think. Just 2 pips, so yeah, our zones are holding, so I'm expecting a down move from here now below 1.6313, and my targets are 1.6064, just above 1.6034 area. Okay, so that is what I am expecting, but do not sell it with me. You can sell it if you want to paper trade, that's okay, but do not do it in a real account. Just wait and watch if my speculation is correct or not. Okay, just wait and watch. Do not trade it, just keep an eye on this one. All right guys, Ethereum, we are bullish, but it is also failed to go higher, just like Bitcoin. So let's see what the charts are telling us. Okay, I think this is better than Bitcoin. Let me check on the Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin once. Okay, this is 4 hourly of Bitcoin and this is 4 hourly of Ethereum. Well, Ethereum does look like it is taking support at this channel low, and it is trying to form a triangle. Guys, are you with me on this one? Let me check. This is like a formation of a triangle. What do you say? So once this triangle breaks to the upside or downside, there should be an explosive move. Well, on the upside, we have now immediate resistance at 1938 level. But if this triangle breaks to the downside, we will have support at 1761. Okay, so bear this thing also in your mind. CAT JPY has taken all the targets, has traded yesterday beyond 99.17 for some time. Actually has got resistance at these lows. If I draw these lows, at these lows, it has found the resistance at these lows, but again came back to I think test these highs or something, has got the support already here. If I switch to 4 hour, you will know that the price is taking support at the lower levels. So you see the price is taking support at the lower levels, and it may be, I think, extending its gains beyond 99.50 very soon to the targets of 100.87. Okay, this is my opinion. I do not want to draw any channels on this one now. Channels are not required. Okay, so horizontal levels are good. Yeah, 99.17 is taken out, so that is out. All right, so yeah, these are the now level of interest for us, not even these, not even these. Okay, so let's see how the things unfold, guys, in the future. 99.54 is the immediate resistance. If once that is taken out, 100.87 will be exposed. On the lower side, we have support at 97.08. USA Tech is the last index that we are going to watch today. Well, on the 4 hours, still 12842 is holding, and whenever the price goes down, it is getting supported. And also notice one thing I will show you here, that this is the lowest low, this is the higher low, and this is the higher low, and between these two lows, this is the lower high than this one, and between these two, this is the lower high than this one. So yes, we have a market structure where the market is making higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Okay, this was not the higher low. Actually, this was the higher low, and this was the higher high. Now the market has made a lower low, so expect a lower high. And okay, I got it. But you know, this is just 4 hours, because on the daily, the market structure to break has to go very deep. Like the market has to go deeper than 12,515 to break the market structure, so it has to go a long way before we turn bearish. But I think rather than turning bearish, we should be looking for the market structure on the 4 hour to be positive again. That means it should break higher than 13,129 area here somewhere. All right, guys, either it should go beyond this or it should go below this, at least on the 4 hour, for us to become short, and below this area for us to go short in the daily time frame. That's all, guys. I don't have anything else to say. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask those questions in the chat. Otherwise, if you have any suggestions or you want to tell me something, you are free to do so in the chat, or the least that you can say is hello, so that I know if there is anybody or if I am not speaking alone here. All right, guys, I guess I am alone here. So I hope you know about the support and resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. Please keep in mind to not risk more than 1% of your capital on any single trade, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. Leave your suggestions in the comment section, and consider subscribing to the channel for more such videos if you're new here. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow 16:30 GMT. Bye bye. Take care.